Hey guys, Candida here, and today I wanted to talk about the Farberware Luna Water Kettle. This kettle delivers with its sleek aqua color and modern design. I absolutely love the color and how it adds a pop of color into the kitchen. The porcelain enamel on the carbon steel construction not only looks great, but it also ensures durability and rust-proof performance. Versatility is definitely a key feature of this kettle. It works on all stovetops. When I'm boiling water for tea, coffee, or other hot beverages, this kettle is definitely up to task. Convenience is another notable aspect. The whistling feature alerts me when my water reaches boiling point, so I can tend to other tasks and not worry about it. It does have the 2.5 quart 10 cup capacity to ensure that there's plenty of hot water for the needs. Safety and comfort is definitely a priority. The Stay Cool handle, as you can see here, this ensures easy and safe pouring even when the kettle's hot. It's been a reliable companion for all of my hot beverage cravings. So I hope you found the review helpful.